Welcome to Product Engine. In this video, we are going to look at importing your data into Product Engine. We're going to do this by uploading CSVs into Product Engine and using the importer to map this data into our library. Importing data using CSVs is a powerful way to import large data sets quickly and accurately. Let's see this in action.
To start with, your data needs to be in a CSV. Here's one I prepared earlier. Now make sure that the first row of your CSV contains column labels as you would like them to appear in Product Engine. Also, make sure that you have a column called product code that has unique product codes for each line item that you are importing into Product Engine. To import your CSV into Product Engine, we must first upload it. To do this, click on Upload CSV next to the Imports tab. Then simply browse to where your CSV is located and select Open. Your CSV will show up in the Import section where you can click on it to launch the Product Engine importer. The importer allows you to choose which rows and columns to import to your library. For the columns that you wish to import, you can either map them to an existing column or create a new column. If this is your first CSV, all columns except for product code will be new columns. Once you're happy with your column mapping, select all the rows that you wish to import and click on Import to Library. And there you go. All your products have been successfully imported into Product Engine. Thank you.